Nestled along the shores of Lake Michigan, Bailey's Harbor is one of Door County's most vibrant destinations. For residents, visitors, and businesses alike, State Highway 57 plays a vital role in the Bailey's Harbor community. As the main corridor through downtown, this roadway needed thoughtful improvements that balanced safety, access, and local character. raSmith is proud to have led the design of this 1.45-mile roadway perpetuation project, improving safety, accessibility, and long-term performance. The project included an HMA mill and overlay, multiple curb ramp replacements, sidewalk and curb improvements, upgraded guardrails, and culvert replacements. Designing new curb ramps to meet modern standards while closely matching existing conditions required precision and creativity to minimize impacts on local businesses. Just outside of town, culvert replacements demanded close coordination with the Wisconsin DNR and local utilities, while environmental, historic, and Section 4 resources were carefully considered throughout design. From real estate coordination to scheduling construction outside the peak tourist season, this project reflects raSmith's commitment to thoughtful engineering that supports infrastructure and community.